Don't push the button on the farm. Hey there, great to see you again. I'm so excited to be visiting the farm with you. Let's go. Oh, don't worry about that sign. It's probably nothing. Could you flip open the latch? I can't reach it. Don't open the gate. That means you. What? You're not sure if we should go in? What are you, chicken? Come on. Help me open the gate. Eek! I have a beak. Cluck like a chicken. To change me back to normal. Cluck, cluck. What the dickens? I'm a chicken. Try clucking even louder while doing a chicken dance. Cluck, cluck. E-I-E-I-O. No. Flap the book like wings to shoo the animals away. Shoo, shoo. Hey, there's a button hiding under the hay. Can you sweep the hay away? It's his here to get back to normal. You have to push the button and make your favorite animal sound. Meow. Hey, that worked. Back to normal. Sigh. I guess it's time to put away the button. But before we put it away, you should push the button and make all the animal noises. Farmtastic! I can't wait to come back to the farm with you. The end.